The North Temple, this is the first mosque of India, this one open one. There is no roof. You see these pillars? That pillars is the part of that Hindu temples of 4th century.
They were broken.
Yeah, but this pillar was not broken by emperor. Nobody knows why. But they broken all the temples here. So still, these are the very popular and very old 4th century temples pillars. So as I told you, that slave dynasty was about 200 years, and after that Khilji dynasty had been started, and the most popular emperor was Alauddin Khilji, who built this arch. But some arch are broken itself. Okay, but now the government are spending money to repair this. Like this, if you see, there's some different color here. That is repaired in 2023. So Alauddin Khilji built this arch, and you see there is some place. You can see some rooms there. Over there. Can you see from here?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That place.
Oh.
That is there is some 4 or 5 rooms. That was the not ordinary room. That was the first Islamic school, because Alauddin Khilji was hated Hindu religion and he wanted to convert all Hindu people from Hindu to Muslim. So he made the first madrasa. You know madrasa, Islamic school name. Madrasa. And in madrasa he wanted to teach all Muslim tradition, religion, custom and culture. So that's why he built the school. And the left side you can see some ruins from here. There is some ruins. That is the Alauddin Khilji grave, but it became ruins. It destroyed itself. It's a very simple grave. So that grave and school and this arch, which is built by Alauddin Khilji, and this is the most important pillar in this place. That is also 4th century old pillar, and that is iron pillar. One of the most and one of the best quality of iron in the world, because this iron is not corroded by rust. And when the people used to live here, they used to worship of this pillar because they believed that this pillar is like a Lord Vishnu. So emperor also, when emperor was destroying all the temples, he didn't destroy this pillar because he knew that this pillar is something very special. And also people also believe that if you encircle your arm like this to this pillar, like this, any wish you make will be fulfilled. That's why it's closed. Everybody wants to make their wishes fulfilled. That's but yes, it's open for VIP people like minister or president, prime minister from other country. They come.